What up, dog? It's your boy Ocie live back at it with another video, man. And you know how we coming today. If you saw the title, you know what's going down, man. This is, let me humble myself down. Thank God for this opportunity to be here. All right, let's go. Come on, man. Come on, no wasting time. Let's get it. Take your shoes off. Promise me you're gonna take your shoes off.
I promise, Ocie.
All right. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? All right, man. Come on. This is the dining room. Boom. We ain't gonna do too much in that, man. We want to get to the fun stuff. Beautiful kitchen. Look into the refrigerator. Yeah.
Ooh, that refrigerator's so big.
Got the little toaster over here.
Ooh, his toaster got 4.
You feel me? A little sugar and spice. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that microwave is so big.
Big microwave, man, just in case, you know what I'm saying? Ramen noodles. The microwave good, bro. It's the pantry, okay? It's all that's boring stuff.
This is the coolest thing in the house.
Yes, player, and the ladies love it.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster.
You look small.
Laundry room, it's over there. Hey!
I'm doing your video.
It's all right. Here's a little sitting area, you know what I'm saying? Got the family walking over there, so we ain't gonna go in here. Oh, okay. This is a good part, though. Well, first, look over here. Big 85-inch TV. Look at this couch. Look at this. Get the details of this couch, man. I'm serious. I could.
Oh my God, Ocie, can I sleep on that couch? Yeah, baby, it's the only place you're gonna be able to sleep. Oh my goodness. Yeah, baby, that's how I roll.
Wait. Shh. Be quiet. Be quiet. It's the theater. We got the screen right here. Ain't nobody in here watching, so but I just like to keep my voice down in here, okay? Yeah, this is the theater area. All of the movies over here showing the movies. And yeah, we're gonna keep it going, man. We're gonna keep going. I wanna make this quick. Come on, man. Yep. I'm so blessed, man, to have this at 18, man. So blessed. We got the play area right here, man. This is where everything goes down. This is where this guy behind the camera gets his butt whooped and pool. All right, look. So we got pool right here. We got air hockey right here, okay? And yeah, boom. Red couches, you know what I'm saying? Boom, this is nice. And then we got a little TV. It don't really need, it's nothing. That's light, you feel me? That's light, okay? Y'all see them doors? That goes out somewhere. But we gonna show y'all that later. Come on, keep following me. Way more. This is a bathroom. Somebody's occupying that right now. So we ain't gonna do that. Keep coming with me. Look at this mirror. And this is beautiful. It's beautiful shape. I cut it myself. It's a room in there, but we ain't gotta show them. Got a couple bedrooms up here, okay? This is the little sister's bedroom, okay? Keep following me. Excuse me. We trying to use it right now, bro. Bathroom in here, just a little bathroom. We gonna change it up in here. You ain't even got to see all that. And then we got the bunk bedroom in here, man. It's just, nothing like, we got a little Xbox One, man. It's light. It's all light, man. I'm telling you, it's all light. Okay, let's keep going. This the work area, okay? This is where I put in the work. This is where, you know what I'm saying, the stuff goes down. The video's gonna go down. The video editing is gonna go down. This is an iMac. Show them that. And that's the work computer. That's where the stupid Zoom school goes down. You feel me? These are bedrooms. My dad in here, you ain't gotta show too much, but yeah, that's his bedroom. It's a bathroom in there. We ain't gotta do too much of that. And then it's the same with where my aunt's staying right now, but this would usually be my room. So let's come on. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay? Y'all ain't, this is a walk-in closet in here, man. But we got it closed right now. Look at this TV, man. I'm blessed. Ain't nobody about to tell me God ain't blessed me. But come on. Because I'm about to get mad. I'm serious. Come on, man. Really? On to our... Here's we on to our last couple of rooms. It's the balcony out here. Somebody. What's the op that's coming in?
You been there, Alexa, turn down.
Why did you want to borrow my computer?
Yours and
Let's go, man. Yes, sir. Hey, it's pretty much. And I had to get a little thumbnail. This is great, man. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna show him. This is another bedroom, though, yeah. Just a lot of bedrooms. You know what I'm saying? Just if people want to come stay, I'm gonna let them stay. Why not? This is the pool. I got an alarm on right now, so if we go out here, the pool is gonna go off. What's the deal, y'all? I forgot to show y'all the pool like outside. So I'ma let me flip, show y'all the pool, man. I know it's kind of dark, but yeah, this gonna go deep, man. I got the rock put in there, man. Blessed, man. Got my own pool, bro. I'm only 18, bro. Like,
Give me the camera. This ain't your pool.
bro, what you mean, bro?
This isn't your pool. Like, we rented this house for a week.
Bro, give me the camera.
Nah. Say sorry.
Bro, what are you talking about?
Say sorry.
Bro, this is
This is
my
not your
stuff,
house.
bro.
No.
Hand me the Bro, hand
We
me
rented this for a week.
Bro,